Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, often we focus on the dollar amount in our retirement savings, but Calvin, you say it's not just about how much you've saved, it's how that money is actually allocated.
That's right, Jen. When people hit retirement, they usually have most of their money saved in 401ks or IRAs, and it's invested in stocks or mutual funds, which aren't always designed to provide a stable, predictable source of income. Keep in mind that over the last 20 years, we've had 3 different events where the stock market has declined 30% or more, and 2 of those times it went down 40% or more. So if you're nearing retirement or you've just retired within 5 years, plus or minus, and you have one of those events happen, it can drastically affect the amount of income you can draw on the portfolio, and it can drastically affect how long the money is going to last. And that's why we've put together this retirement kit.
Right, and we just need to recognize, Calvin, that what we're doing with our money, how it's allocated, it probably needs to change in retirement versus how it was during our working years.
That's right. We want to use different asset classes that are designed to provide the level of income that we need in retirement so that we're less dependent on stock market returns because we don't know what that volatility can have in the future. So whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the Retirement Roadmap book, which is the centerpiece of this kit, will give you tips on exactly how to do that.
Right, some great resources there. You can learn about the strategies to help protect your retirement savings in Calvin's Retirement Roadmap kit. You can call, text, or go online to get that now. Calvin, thanks for your time today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thanks for watching this week's Retirement Report.